It's jungle juice time. Woo! God, I love that. Probably too much ice, but hey, it's life. Limes, my brethren. Come behind those limes with apples. Apples everywhere, okay? Come in with some lemons now. I doubt everything in here can fit, but we can see. Then a little bit of strawberries. Cutting a bag like that was probably a pretty dumb idea, guys. Let us begin with a solid base. Everclear, in my hair, little Everclear. Everclear in there. What is it if a man has no Everclear? Damn, this is like a 60s classic. Everclear. Bit of tequila, a touch of Mexico, okay? Because why? This is an international drink, okay? We're bringing the world together. Hey, Kim Jong-un, Biden, Xi Jinping, you know, Vladimir Putin. Why don't you all let's sit down and have a jungle juice? Let's talk stuff over. Put away those nuclear weapons, grab a solo cup, and let's go in. A little bit of rum. We can achieve greatness if we all drank together. Okay, let's come behind it with some sweet and sour. I know a lot of you at home watching this could be like, well, Scott, that's too much ice. Why don't you take a cup of this then, since it's too mild for you, too much ice? Okay, watch some hair grow on your chest, okay? You can't grow a beard, drink this, okay? Let me come in here with some Mountain Dew. I kind of like this, pouring over fruits like this. I've never done that before. Okay, guys, now watch that color. This melon liqueur, okay? Dude, I love doing this like this. This is different. So we got a little green in there. Come behind with some sour apple pucker. And guys, now look at this. Look how much room I have left. Blue Curacao, don't let me down. This got to work. You got to work. You can't overflow and all got to go in. Don't let me down, Blue Curacao. Don't let me down, Blue Curacao. Look at this. This is a perfect amount. This is a perfect amount. Bang! Look at this. Look at the streamline in the back there. Oh yeah. And there you have it. The pretty bastard jungle juice. Gotta get a little taste in. I'm classy, okay? I'm not like you ratchets. I'm picking hints of vanilla and tulips. Oh my God, this is a really good year. It just lands lightly on the front of the palate. And then it molds gently into the back as it goes down the gullet. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy, and always keep it classy. Later.